Hello KG2, Assalamu alaikum. I hope everybody is fine. Today we are going to do page number 16 in English. And before we start the lesson, I want you guys to tell me what is the sound of letter E when it is followed by another letter E. It is a long sound of E. E, like C. This one. I see a doll. I see a book. So when sometimes letter E is followed by letter A, remember if a vowel is followed by another vowel, the first vowel letter say its name. So if E is followed by letter A, it will say its name E. So this is also E. Let me give you an example. C. But this time this is this one with A at the last. The sea is very deep. The sea is blue. The last one is E and another E. But there is a gap in the middle. It shows that another letter can come in the middle. But the sound will be E. Like Eve. I went to an Eve. So there are three ways in which we can tell the sound of letter E. E, E, E. Let's read some of the words. This is page number 16. Let's read some of the words on the top which has E sound. Speed, sneeze. See, letter E is followed by another letter E. Toffee, indeed. Now, teacher. Over here, the letter E is followed by letter A. Teacher. Peanut. Peach. Seat belt. Look, letter E is here and letter E is here, and then there is another letter in the middle. So, Eve, theme, these, feet. So, these were the words with three ways of E sound. Now, look down. We are given three pictures. One is when there are two E's. One is when there is a E and A. And the last one is two E's and then a gap in the middle. And we are given these words. We have to read these words and then we have to write them in the correct picture. So let's read from the first word. Feet. It's 2 times E. Feet. So should I write it over here in E and A1 or should I go for the 2 E's? Yes, it's already written here. Feet. I want you to trace it. The next one is beak. E and A. Beak. So I should write it over here. B E A K. Beak. The next one is theme. Look, E, E and then another letter in the middle. Theme. So I should write it over here. Theme. The next one is sleep and 2 times E. So where should it go? Over here. Sleep. Similarly, I want you guys to read rest of the words and then you have to write them in the correct picture. That was today's work. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.